In today's modern world, our senses are constantly bombarded with noises and smell. On the continuum between pleasure and pain, the same stimulus can be relieving stress or causing it, depending on its intensity. Take sound, for example. We're highly intolerant to noise. It immediately raises our stress levels. Think about the sirens of an ambulance or firefighter's truck that drive by, and you'll see what I mean. However, studies have shown that even low-level but constant noise is a major contributor to stress, which means we really need to be alert regarding where we decide to live and work, as there is no off switch to our senses. What we perceive is sometimes invasive and unpleasant, sometimes so irresistible we melt. Often it's all about finding the right balance, the right amount of sensory input, in order to find that soothing impact. One characteristic of sensory input is that it is beyond our rational control. Our senses are linked to our limbic system, where our memories and emotions are located. The pleasure we experience when our senses are caressed, when we hit a soft spot set in the right context, can soften up the most tensed muscle and let the mind wander off, light years away from our daily occupations and causes of stress. We can try to ignore our senses, but the urge is very strong, so why fight them? Let's turn them into our best allies and use them to relieve our stress. In the next lecture, we'll go over 10 examples of using our senses to relieve stress and recharge our batteries.